Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. I'm in a 2022 Can-Am Defender Limited. If you have a Defender, you've got these kind of open spots here where you don't really know what to do with it, right? On the far right hand side, the passenger side, you do have a spot right here where you could put a USB charging port, 12 volt or something like that. But as you put any gloves or goggles or anything in this space as you're going down the trail, it's all gonna fall out on your feet. So they do make this nice little net, if you will. They're actually calling it a dash compartment net kit. The part number on it is 715-003-544. Simple to install. All you're gonna do is take these plastic ends. They're gonna go in these holes right here. We'll show it installed in just a second. Here's a view as if you are sitting in the seat. Great looking piece. Again, you can just kind of pull it away, throw in some bag of jerky, some sunflower seeds, some gloves, something small. It's not a huge spot, but you do have the ability to kind of keep all that from falling on your feet. Available here at Big Pine Sports, 435-427-3338. Have a great day, everybody.